Okay, this is the one that Marie and I like, but it was sold. So at least we got like some kind of idea on what we want to do and how we want to, what kind of setup we want. It's not too big and it's actually not too small. It's just enough room for both of us where, we could just sleep on the road if we're going someplace, and it could actually park in a parking spot. That's what we were looking for too, so it's not going to be that hard.